Hi, this is Nick at Flight Schedule Pro, and I wanted to demonstrate how to set up cycle-based tracking and maintenance reminders. Cycles are recorded during the check-in process. The same way that you're used to recording hobs and tack already, they're recorded as integers and we keep a running total in the background. To turn on cycles, we'll need to go to the Aircraft tab, select an aircraft, Aircraft Times, and Edit. On this screen, you're going to see toggles for track cycles, as well as track engine cycles for each engine listed on that aircraft. You also have a current cycles field for each. We left it fairly generic because each make and model have their own definition of what constitutes a cycle. Because we're now tracking them, you also have the ability to set up cycle-based maintenance reminders. On this screen, you would select reminder type of cycle-based. Here again, you can select which cycle count you're basing this on. So aircraft cycles for things like landing gear and engines for things like hot sections. Hopefully you find this new feature valuable and it helps your staff keep up on maintenance.